Mount Mahawu, the Sleeping Beauty. High above the Minahassan Highlands, where clouds flirt with the earth and time seems to sigh, there she lies, the Sleeping Queen, Mount Mahawu. Draped in soft green curves and gentle slopes, she slumbers in silence, her mornings wrapped in delicate mist and serenaded by the shy breeze. Unlike her hot-tempered twin, Mount Lokon, who loves to rumble and steal the spotlight, Mahawu prefers to say absolutely nothing. She simply radiates charm and whispers, "My beauty doesn't need a scream, darling." Yet don't be fooled. Beneath her calm exterior lies a history of fire. Once ablaze with molten glory, now she cradles a quiet crater, crowned by a pale green lake that shimmers like a long-lost gem. Around her, wild orchids bloom and birds sing lullabies, as if all of nature tiptoes not to disturb her dreamy slumber. Treading her path feels like walking inside a lullaby. The breeze hums, the sparse forest breathes, and when you reach the rim, voila, the world unfolds in splendor, from Tomahon's patchwork fields to the coastline glinting, far, far away. Mahawu isn't just a volcano. She's a reminder that beauty doesn't always erupt, and power can rest with elegance. She waits, patiently, for wanderers seeking quiet wonder. For those who know that yes, even the earth dreams. Come discover the grace of Mount Mahawu, where volcanic tales rest beneath emerald stillness, and every step takes you closer to the clouds. Easy to reach, a joy to explore, unforgettable in every frame. This sleeping beauty of Minahasa is ready to awaken your awe. Visit Mahawu and let nature's quiet magic touch your soul.